How to add local files to Spotify on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up Spotify on your phone. Once you're in, you will be on the home page of Spotify. From here, you need to tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Apps and Devices. Here, scroll down a little bit and toggle on this Local Audio Files option. Now, get back to the home page and minimize Spotify. After that, open Files on your iPhone. Then, select On My iPhone. Now, open up a folder and hold an audio file. You will see a drop-down menu here, select Move. Now, search the folder Spotify where you want this audio file to be moved. Once you have found it, open the folder. Then, tap on Move at the top right corner. Now, minimize settings. Open Spotify. Once you're on the home page, tap on Library at the bottom panel of your screen. Then, go to Local Files. Your audio files will appear here. So by following these simple steps, one can easily add local files to Spotify on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.